outside perhaps, as you said, under the level 4, that was something that you indicated to the parliamentary party.
I didn't actually.
No, didn't.
I said nothing at all about dining outside to anyone,
Well,
so I don't know where that's come from. I
there
did say
was
level 4 though.
Level 4, yeah, but I think in the roadmap, which
That's
maybe
one of the things
that's
allowed, yeah.
maybe
Potentially allowed.
the roadmap's
But
a bit
I did not flag up outdoor dining as something that was going to happen on the 5th of March by any means.
That's not going to happen then.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Not outdoor dining.
Right, in restaurants and at that point.
No, well, let me answer your question, which is a fair one. We are at level 5 at the moment. Level 5 does allow for schools to be opened and does allow for construction. So if anything's going to happen across February and March, it's the phased return to school, which I think has to be the number one priority for reasons I don't need to explain to your listeners and your readers, and then the reopening of the aspects of construction that are now closed. So building houses, for example, houses that people want to buy, that's important, and it's a largely outdoor, safe profession, and mostly younger people in good health. So they're the kind of things I think people can see. When we come up to the 5th of March, there's 4 things we have to look at. There's the 5 or 7 day average in terms of cases. What the ICUs look like now. Still really bad, over 200 in ICU. You want to see that figure, down nearer to 50. Mm-hmm. Also, the number of people in hospital, that's falling very fast, and that's encouraging. And also the situation in Northern Ireland, because we are making a genuine effort to coordinate with Northern Ireland. That's why we picked the 5th of March as the date. Can we go to level 4 or level 4 modifications on the 5th of March? I can't say that at this stage. That's not possible to say. And I do think the government, NPHET and the public want us to see how low we can get cases to go. And we support that view. Let's try and get the cases as low as possible. The lower we get them, then the longer we can stay open, and the more time we buy in terms of giving people vaccines. But I also think we need to be realistic. We are in Europe. We are at the epicenter of the pandemic. We do have a land border with Northern Ireland. It might be the case that we get to a certain point where the number of cases plateau. It's interesting and good that people are talking about, getting to 0 or getting to near 0. We just don't know how low we possibly can go. Countries that have successfully got to 0 didn't have thousands of cases a day in the first place. And we're just, we're seeing across Europe now countries that went into lockdown before us getting to a point below which they find it very hard to go. But we are going to try and get as low as we can.